My sugar babies, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna get back in that routine of videos, you know. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got with the Morpheme brushes. I still do this every month. I know a lot of you thought that I canceled, but no, this is a subscription that I feel like I won't ever cancel. You can never have enough brushes, if you know what I'm saying. If you're an artist, you know exactly what I mean. I hate to clean my brushes, so doing this program definitely helps me out. So you pay $19.99 a month. You get brushes delivered to your house. Sometimes it's 3, sometimes it's 6. It really just depends on the collection of the brush and how expensive the brush is. So this month, let's see how many we got. It says cozy up with Bae this Valentine's Day. They're so cute. They're always rhyming. They have a little note in here. It says, oops, sometimes Valentine's Day doesn't go as planned. We had a printing goof. The second brush on the insert should read E61, not E50. E61, not E50. Yes, that's what I got. Okay. Sorry for puckering that up. XOXO Morpheme. Okay, so let me say that one first because then I'll just fucking butcher it. Alright, so this is the E61. E61 is the pointed highlight glow use. Hold please. Okay, so this is the E61. Looks like this. It says, for a romantic glow, use the pointed highlight to enhance your cheeks, nose, and cupid's bow. This tapered brush will give you a mesmerizing finish with a candle lit within. So it's a lot more tighter than my other brush. Where's my other brush? So I feel like this would give you the highlight on the specific area that you want, and this is the other one that I usually use. You see, it's a lot more fluffier. It's just going to distribute highlight all over. This one's going to give you more precise area of where you want the highlight to be. So that is the difference. The Elite usually is more expensive, so I feel like anytime I get these brushes, I always get like 3 to 4. I never get more than that. This month we got 3. Like I said, they are a little bit more pricey, this collection. I will list down the price of the actual brush later down below because they didn't put it in the memo for this month. Alright, the next one is the Deluxe Blender, which is the E23. This, it says, start your Valentine's Day with a Glam Deluxe Blender. This dense stone brush will give you warm and fuzzy feelings as you blend shadows on your crease for a flirty look. So, it is definitely dome. I would use this for creams, like putting on my base, my eye base. I don't really feel like this would be an ideal crease brush for me. I have not so much of a hooded eye, but I do have creasing. It's happening, you know. So my eyelid has a lot more creases than what it used to have. Obviously, you get older, shit just starts sagging, and you know, gravity takes its toll. So it's happening, and I feel like one eye is a lot more droopier than the other. So this wouldn't be ideal for me. I wouldn't get the same precision on both eyes. But I would use this to put on my base for like my eye primer and things like that. The next brush is the E34. It's a tapered blush brush. Looks like this. It's very dense, nicely packed. It says add rosy flush to your cheeks, contour and powder your face using the tapered brush. The soft bristles will have you so smitten you think you were shot by Cupid's golden arrow. It's really soft. I can see you contouring and applying blush. It would definitely work for that. I like it. It feels really good too. And you guys know I love the Elite one. This brush saves my life to blend it all together. I'm so happy when they sent me this one. But yeah, that is it for this month's Morpheme Me. I know it was a short video, straight to the point, but like I said, this is a subscription that I will never ever stop. I feel like $19.99 is a steal. The Elite brushes usually run for like $14 each brush. The bigger ones run for $20 and up. So definitely got my money's worth in just one brush. But yeah, comment down below and let me know if you would like me to keep sharing my monthly Morpheme me, that's a tongue twister, or toss it and skip the video. Starting to get back in the groove of YouTube, and I want to know what you guys want to see. Basically, I don't want to film content that you don't want to see, so let your girl know. I don't think I have anything else to say other than thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.